Hey gang, Poppy here. This apparently is anybody can be a star on YouTube 3. Well, you can. As soon as that first video you upload hits and you see that blue bar that says congrats, your video just went live on YouTube, you're a star on YouTube. It might be 179th magnitude star, like Poppy's Workshop. I got 15 subscribers. One of them's my daughter-in-law. The other one is this computer over here. I'm transferring some JPEGs and video clips so I can put them over here and send them to you. So 13 subscribers. No, 14. My daughter-in-law counts. She's a valid subscriber. She watches. Anyway, just to pull something out of my hat, you're gonna burn up the internet with your basket weaving videos. Everyone watching YouTube's gonna love you. And you're gonna make friends with all the other basket weavers. Great. Presuming there are any other basket weavers. Now, don't get too specific in your basket weaving, the underwater basket weaving while chemically altered, that's going to put you in so small a niche that YouTube won't be able to figure out what you are, and oops, we lost it. Believe me, having only 14 subscribers that aren't my other computer over here, I know what a small channel is about. And, I figured, well, small machine shop, small machine, small parts, great. But, machine shop. Now, there are a lot of machinists on YouTube. And one guy, anything I say to his channel that's, not a death threat, bing, like. Of course, then, what do I say there? Another use for WD-40, Hey, this stuff is great. And of course, the usual, man, that's great. You pulled it off again. You outdid yourself. That always gets a like. Cool. I have a friend on YouTube, Emma. Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. She does live steam models. She live streams Wednesday. She calls it the Wednesday evening live stream. In California, it happens at 3 a.m. So, guys in New York, they're getting it like 6 a.m. That's cool. Some nights I have trouble staying awake, like last week. I just was able to say, hi, I'm here, la, 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 and a few minutes later, I'm gonna crash, night on. I barely got, say it, the little blue arrow, posts that your comment hit before my head's going. Age. Age. Plus, summer's over. Ain't no need to sleep during the day, escape the heat, enjoy the warm to slightly cool evenings. No. It's going to be cold during the day and colder at night. No, I'm sort of transitioning to winter hours, which is hibernate a lot. But with something to do, maybe I won't be hibernating as much. Anyway, your friends. You may be chasing after some other basket weaver and you want this guy to be your best friend in the world. He don't know you from Adam. I know how that feels. There's 2 people on YouTube who know me from Adam. Emma and A-Bomb79, because I don't look like the guy staring out the mirror when he's brushing his teeth in the morning. Other than that, no. So, if you make a friend, an unexpected one, especially, oh, cherish that friend. Yeah. Anyway, I was going to go now. Remember, you too can be a star on YouTube. Good night.